Your question is, when was the Citizenship Amendment Act passed? Your options are A. 11th December 2018, B. 11th December 2019, C. 11th October 2019, D. 11th October 2020, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. 11th December 2019. Your question is, how many years does a person of Indian origin need to reside in India to become a citizen of India under the Citizenship Act 1955? Your options are A. 5 years, B. 3 years, C. 7 years, D. 9 years, or E. 10 years. Right answer is C. 7 years. Your question is, who or which of the following is competent to prescribe conditions for acquisition of citizenship? Your options are A. Election Commission, B. President, C. Parliament and state legislatures jointly, or D. Parliament. Right answer is D. Parliament. Your question is, a citizen of India will lose his or her citizenship if he or she first renounces Indian citizenship, second voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, third marries a citizen of another country, fourth criticizes the government. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1 and 2 only, or D. 1 and 4 only. Right answer is C. 1 and 2 only. Renounces Indian citizenship, voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country. Your question is, which country accepted the policy of dual citizenship? Your options are A. India, B. Canada, C. Australia, or D. USA. Right answer is D. USA. Your question is, who among the following is not eligible for registering as overseas citizen of India cardholder under the Citizenship Amendment Act 2015? Your options are A. A minor child whose parents are an Indian citizen, B. Spouse of foreign origin of an Indian citizen, C. Indian who migrated to Pakistan after partition, or D. A great grandchild of a person who is a citizen of another country but whose grandparents were a citizen of India at the time of commencement of the Constitution. Right answer is C. Indian who migrated to Pakistan after partition. Your question is, Indian citizenship cannot be obtained by. Your options are A. Birth, B. Naturalization, C. Absorbing any part of land, or D. Depositing money in Indian banks. Right answer is D. Depositing money in Indian banks. Your question is, which one of the following features of citizenship in India is correct? Your options are A. Dual citizenship of the state and nation, B. Single citizenship of a state, C. Single citizenship of whole of India, or D. Dual citizenship of India and another country. Right answer is C. Single citizenship of whole of India. Your question is, in which part of the Constitution of India we find the provisions relating to citizenship? Your options are A. Part 1, B. Part 2, C. Part 7, or D. Part 9. Right answer is B. Part 2. Your question is, which articles of Indian Constitution are related to citizenship? Your options are A. Article 3 to 10, B. Article 4 to 11, C. Article 5 to 11, or D. Article 6 to 11. Right answer is C. Article 5 to 11. Your question is, when was the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 passed by Parliament? Your options are A. 10 December 2019, B. 11 December 2019, C. 12 December 2019, or D. 13 December 2019. Right answer is B. 11 December 2019. Your question is, the citizenship provided by the Constitution of India is. Your options are A. Dual citizenship, B. Single citizenship, C. Both of the above, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Single citizenship.